You know, some days you just want to get home. It's been a long day at work.
Keep going!
Okay, Sharon is on her way in from work, and she's stuck in a driveway. Guys, Kapper here. Well, we're out in the woods. We got a buggy stuck so far, and now we're walking. We're over at Phil's place. We're walking to pick up the second buggy, so join us for some fresh air. Oh, dang it. Time for a running start. Yeah, I might be walking anyway. Come on, baby. There's a dry spot, kind of. Nope. Want me to push? No. Okay, Sharon is on her way in from work, and she's stuck in a driveway. So I was in the hot tub, but the hot tub ain't working that good. I got a repair guy coming. I know, poor me. But anyways, let's see if we can rescue her. I'm gonna start with the pickup truck before we go to any machines, and we'll try the Ford first. That was better than the super soft guy. I thought, I don't know if you can get through there or not. Yeah, you can get through that gas over there. Oh, come on, are you kidding me?
Oh, now I may have done it.
Yep, now we might be in it. Short, it might be shorting out because mine's done that. When you get mud splashing, if any mud hits one of them batteries, you could start shorting.
All right, overloaded it.
That is, if I don't get stuck myself. I mean, it's so slick with it melting and freezing and melting and freezing that you slide sideways, because we have we put in four-wheel drive. We have a abnormally large crown on the driveway because we don't have breaker run, so that crown helps keep it dry and obviously lasting longer. So let's back up out there and see where she's at. All right, so we're gonna go for a walk. Leave this for another day. All right, so now we are walking through the woods to pick up his other gas buggy. Let's see if we can get two stuck today or just one.
I think we ran out of batteries.
Yeah, probably.
It's been cold and just sitting there. I should have thought about it.
All right, so I tried to hook on a strap, but her car is so low profile that I can't, and it's got this plastic fairing, under it. I can't hook on anything, and she made it. She's only about 25 yards from getting to level, so.
Wow. Skid steer and drug it back. And just pulled it across. Pulled it up to here, went over to the other side, put chains on it, drug it back, pulled it up. All aluminum, it ain't never gonna rot in my lifetime.
Nope.
And after that,
I'm gonna roll it all the way back down there and just give it a try on my own and see what happens. I'll either make it or end up in the ditch. Man, you got some big ditches over here. I guess I didn't realize how much water you probably get through here.
there's so much runoff, it'll fill up.
Oh yeah, Sharon's looking at, I think that flat tire was enough. She's looking at Ford, I think Explorer maybe. She found a couple. I emailed the guy this morning. Alright, we made it to the second plot. This is where we've cleared this all when we cheated winter a few weeks back. Now you can see it's a disaster, but can't wait to see this one finish. This is going to be a beautiful food plot here. Beautiful. All right, we made it to the gas buggy. Let's head back to the house. My head in.
From mile and about later.
Yep, it taught me a good lesson.
You know, some days you just want to get home. It's been a long day at work. And then a long shopping trip at Walmart at 5 o'clock, which is always fun. And then trying to get up the driveway. Well, here he comes.
Keep going.
That sucks. There's nothing to look at your.
I'll leave it on the way in.
Nothing in the front to look on. I'm sure it's one of Joe's boxes.
right, we made it. That's living the dream, one slushy adventure at a time.
Wait a minute.
Wait, what?
You can help me unload all the Walmart groceries.
Oh boy, all right. Wait, this looks like Bill's. I don't want Bill's.
Okay, there's Culver's.
Oh, well, in that
And Bill's.
case, well, that might work then.
And then there's a bunch of groceries to bring in.
Oh boy. All right, the things you got to do to live the American dream.
My gosh, did you hear me bottom out?
Yeah, that car is just... We need to get you a four-wheel drive very soon.